Hey, welcome to the Explainer. Today we're going to do something really cool. We're taking a journey deep inside the most incredible engine in the world. Yep, the one that's beating in your chest right now. We're going to figure out how your heart works, and trust me, it is way more fascinating than you can even imagine.
So, are you ready for this? Because we're not just taking any tour. We're going to follow the hero's journey of a single red blood cell on what is basically a life or death mission. It's a real story of purpose, transformation, and some pretty incredible power. Okay, let's dive right into it. Our story starts inside this magnificent structure. And for a second, I want you to forget thinking of it as just a muscle. Let's picture it as a 4-room mansion with a very, very important job.
4, that is the magic number. This mansion has 4 specialized chambers, or rooms, and every single one has a critical role to play. You can think of them like the command centers that keep the whole country of your body running smoothly. Now, this mansion is split right down the middle into 2 very different sides. Over on the right, we have what we'll call the blue side. This is where blood shows up after it's delivered all its oxygen. It's tired, it needs a refill. Then, over on the left, you see the red side. This place is buzzing, full of energized, oxygen-rich blood that's ready to get back to work. This division, this is the key to absolutely everything.
So, let's meet our hero. Picture a single, kind of sad-looking red blood cell just hanging out on the blue side of the heart. Its mission, and it has no choice but to accept it, is to get re-energized. It's about to set off on a crucial quest for oxygen. So, what's the problem here? Why is our hero so down? Well, it's deoxygenated. That's just the official term for being completely out of oxygen. See, it's delivered all its life-giving fuel to the body, and now it's just running on empty. And that is why we call it the blue side. So the quest is crystal clear. Starting from its room on the right side of the heart, our hero gets pumped out onto a special highway. Its destination? The one and only place it can get that all-important power-up, the lungs. And who does our hero meet there? Well, let's introduce a crucial character in our story, Lucy the Lungs. She's like the friendly pit stop, the ultimate recharging station, just waiting to give all those tired red blood cells exactly what they need. And just like that, with every single breath you take, Lucy does her job. She's like, here you go, some fresh oxygen gas for all my red blood cell friends. This right here, this is the moment of transformation. The mission is a success. And would you look at that? What a change. Our little red blood cell is no longer sad and deoxygenated. Nope. It is bright red, fully charged with oxygen, and totally ready to complete its journey and deliver its precious cargo. All right, our supercharged hero travels back to the heart. But this time, it's not returning to the old blue neighborhood. Oh no. It gets a VIP entrance to the powerful, vibrant red side, the left side of the heart. But hold on a second. As our hero arrives, it notices something is different. The walls of the rooms on this side of the mansion are way, way thicker and more muscular. So why would that be? Well, it all comes down to power. I mean, the right side's job is a short trip. It only has to pump blood next door to the lungs. But the left side, it has the massive job of pumping that freshly oxygenated blood to your entire body, from your brain all the way down to the very tips of your toes. That takes some serious muscle, a true super pump. So now that we understand our own amazing 4-chambered heart, let's zoom out for a minute. Because out in the animal kingdom, nature has come up with some wildly different designs for this vital engine. Just look at this. A fish has a simple 2-chambered heart. A jellyfish gets by with 0 hearts. Its skin is so thin it just absorbs oxygen from the water. And then, well, then you have the octopus, which is a total show-off. Yes, you are reading that right. 3. An octopus has 3 hearts. Just let that sink in for a moment. Why on earth would any creature need 3 hearts? It's actually a brilliant system. One main heart pumps blood to the body, just like ours. But then it has 2 extra hearts dedicated only to pumping blood through its gills. This high-pressure system is what it needs to support its incredibly active and intelligent lifestyle. And that leaves us with a final thought. We've seen the elegant 4-chamber system in us, and this bizarre 3-heart setup in an octopus. It just makes you wonder, what other incredible biological secrets is nature hiding out there, right in plain sight? Something to think about.